How to translate Instagram Reels automatically. If you want to translate the voice in your Instagram Reels into another language, this video will show you how to enable the translation feature step by step. First, make sure your Instagram app is updated to the latest version. Open Instagram and tap the plus sign on the home screen. Then select Reel. Choose the video you want to translate and tap Next. Add your caption and hashtags, then scroll down and tap More Options. Now go to Accessibility and Translation and select Translate Voice. Once you've finished adjusting the settings, tap the back arrow and then tap Share to publish your reel. Instagram will process the translation after you publish the reel. This may take some time, and you'll receive a notification when the translation is complete. And that's how you can enable voice translation for Instagram Reels and make your content accessible in different languages. If you find this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tutorials.